I will consider my statement of intent as the Lira City Woman Member of Parliament. As you are aware, in 1960, Dr. Apollo Milton Obote founded UPC as a party of the people, a party of peasants, a party of the workers, a party of the youth, and a party of ideas. Its greatest political policies were anchored on the issues affecting the common man. In his own words, in 1970, 17th August, he had this to say: the biggest of us all, the richest of us all, and perhaps the highest educated of us all, cannot stand without the support of the common man. On the 9th October 1962, Uganda gained independence, and the late Dr. Apollo Milton Obote received the instrument of power. The task of building the post-independence Uganda as a republic was not easy. He had to confront backlash from those who believed in monarchy and in federalism and in other ideas. Therefore, I stand here today in the footsteps of our founder president to carry the mantle of the ideology of our party. An ideology based on tackling the plight of the common man. I seek this election to serve the common people of Lira City. As you are aware, the promise of jobs and prosperity, among other factors, pulls many to cities and urban areas. Half of our global population already live in cities, and it is estimated by 2050, 2/3 of the world's population are expected to be living in urban areas. But in cities, two pressing problems bring us together. That is poverty and environmental degradation. My experience as the Minister of Lands, Housing and Urban Development, Minister in charge of Kampala, Capital City and Metropolitan Affairs, and now the Minister of Gender, Labor and Social Development, has provided me with both technical and political knowledge to drive the socio-economic development agenda of any urban area. Yes. Lira City will be my bedrock. We shall be tackling challenges ranging from unemployment to urban poverty to inequality to crime and security, poor sanitation and waste management, bad roads and infrastructure, limited access to basic services like clean water, education, healthcare. We shall be addressing the issue of youth, women, persons with disability and other vulnerable persons. All of these issues require a tested leader who is capable of working across party lines, across religious lines, across cultural and tribal lines. It requires these challenges requires a leader who will anchor leadership on engagements, on consultations, and on involvement of key stakeholders in designing plans and programs for driving our city to attain an integrated economic and industrialization agenda. Right. A leader whose outlook is broad and capable of offering a comprehensive solution to all the pressing challenges instead of someone offering a narrow perspective to complex problems that face city dwellers. I will galvanize leaders so that we drive a bold agenda with key solutions that will enable us to combat poverty by promoting economic development and job creation, involving community in city management, addressing infrastructure like electricity, roads, water, and so on, creating public-private partnership to ensure that we support our city. The baton of history is passed from generation to generation, and the cause of human progress moves forward from one era to another, with mankind seeking answers to questions of their times.
Amen.
In 1962, our forefathers challenged by the historical question of what kind of Uganda should we build and how do we build it. They answered the call of their times by proposing a